Yes, welcome back to In-Depth Analysis. My greatest problem for this coalition, whether they plan form, whether they don't form, whether they go still form, not just the faces why they see for there. The faces why they see for there, it shows this coalition lacks credibility. This coalition not be something we go they sustainable. At one stage for the coalition, they go start to sabotage themselves. The fact that they see faces like El-Rufai face for that coalition, there's a problem. Because this time people will be saying they're not even supposed to show face at all. Their face not supposed to come out again via their pedigree, via things where they don't talk, things where they don't say, conversations where they don't involve themselves inside. They're not supposed to show face again. Right now, they're supposed to hide their face. First of all, I want you guys to listen to this before I come back.
Because in the party, I was a Buhari boy. Bola has his boys. Buhari had his boys. We are Buharists. No apologies. So
we are Buharists and no apologies. Can you imagine? Now, what did Buhari do for us? Because all throughout Buhari's stay, complain. And Buhari ran one of the worst governments in Nigerian history. You see, one thing we lack in Nigeria is we lack the sense of history. Voting Buhari self was a mistake. A very, very big mistake. Now, let me remind you guys something you might have forgotten. Because in 1985, Buhari remains the only man in history that voted against his countryman. That was vying for the post of the Secretary General of the UN in 1985. Buhari voted against him because he was Igbo or because he was a Christian. Those are the two main reasons why he voted against his own countryman. The only man in history that voted against his own countryman. That's the person you're proud of and you say you're a Buharist. You see that I not just want to go that line and make we not bring in religious and ethnic sentiments enter this whole thing. Because El-Rufai manifested this whole thing in his leadership, in his 8 years as governor. He manifested the same thing, the same attitude, the same behavior. Now he wants to bring that back again. Now I fear for Peter Obi. Sincerely speaking, I fear for Peter because the fact Peter Obi is a Christian and the fact Peter Obi is from the south, not to talk of him being Igbo. El-Rufai vote for him over him. Sincerely speaking, that are the kind of person where they come out for the coalition. Man, El-Rufai should just go and rest. He should just go and rest. The fact he came out to say he's a Buharist. The problem with us is we too they forget history. Because if some they remember history, person like Buhari self will not even come into governance in the first place. From there when he vote against the country, now from there self he's supposed to pack in load, they go. Man, 2027 make we shine our eyes. When nobody can wash us again.